Hi, welcome to Harvest Right. Now that you've unboxed your freeze dryer, we're going to show you how to set it up. The first step to setting up your freeze dryer is making sure the front 2 feet are about 1/2 inch higher than the back feet. Make sure to adjust both feet. The next step is to open the door, pull off the door gasket, and run it under cold water to make sure it's clean. Now we'll show you how to put oil in your vacuum pump. First, remove the red cap, fill your vacuum pump to the indicated line. And then replace the cap. Now we'll connect the vacuum hose to the freeze dryer. Make sure the hose is nice and tight. Next, we'll connect the vacuum hose to the vacuum pump. Again, make sure it's nice and hand tight. Plug the vacuum pump into the back of the freeze dryer. And make sure your vacuum pump is in the on position. Now pull out your drain hose. Make sure it is in the off position and put your hose in your bucket. Now we're going to close the door and make sure it's latched tight. Now plug your power cord into your freeze dryer and plug the other end into the wall. Turn your freeze dryer on. Now that your freeze dryer is set up, follow the instructions in your owner's manual to perform the vacuum test. Once you've passed the vacuum test, you're ready to start freeze drying, and long live your food.